Ever stared at your YouTrip app, heart pounding, waiting for that sweet, sweet transfer to complete? You're not alone. We've all been there. But how long does it actually take? Let's dive in. Imagine this: you're on a sun-kissed beach, cocktail in hand, and you realize your YouTrip balance is looking a little bare. Panic sets in as you initiate a transfer. The question burning in your mind? When will that cash hit my account? Well, let's clear the air. The YouTrip transfer time isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. It's like baking a cake. The exact timing depends on a handful of ingredients. First up, the type of transfer. Are you moving money from your bank account to YouTrip or vice versa? Different routes, different speeds. Generally, topping up your YouTrip card is quicker than withdrawing funds. Think of it like ordering food. Getting it delivered is faster than returning an empty plate. Next, consider the time of day. Banks and financial systems aren't 24/7 diners. They have their own opening hours and peak traffic times. Trying to transfer during lunch rush? Expect a longer wait. It's like trying to order a pizza on a Friday night. You might be in for a wait. Your bank also plays a role. Some banks are Speedy Gonzales, while others move at a leisurely pace. It's like different internet speeds. Some download movies in seconds, others take forever to buffer. And let's not forget about weekends and holidays. Financial systems take a break too. Transferring on a Sunday or public holiday is like trying to visit the bank on Christmas Day. It's closed. So, what's the magic number? A definitive answer is elusive. But to give you a ballpark figure, most YouTrip transfers within Singapore typically complete within a few hours. For international transfers, it could take a day or two. But hey, there's an easier way to stay in the loop. YouTrip usually sends notifications to keep you updated on the transfer status. It's like getting a real-time tracker for your pizza delivery. So, the next time you're planning a spontaneous getaway or eyeing that duty-free haul, give your YouTrip transfer a little patience. And remember, a little planning goes a long way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.